Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to make a deposit to your QuickBooks account without using an invoice. Now, we need to log in and be in our account. And once we are in the dashboard, you want to look at your left-hand side and hover your mouse or your cursor to the create option, which is the first one on the top left corner. Now, once this pop-up appears, you want to look at other. Under other, it's a second option, it says bank deposit. So click on bank deposit. You can now add funds. You can create a bank deposit, choose what type or what account you're using, right? And then make sure the date is correct when you deposited to your bank, right? And then here you need to fill out received from the person that is making the deposit to what account. Is it sales? Is it revenue? Is it accrued liabilities? Enter the description here, enter the payment method. Is it cash, check, credit, or debit card? If there's a reference number, enter it here. And lastly, the amount. After that, just if you have a memo, if you have a note, do that here. And then attach any attachments if there's a screenshot of like a receipt or anything. After that, click save and new, and you now have a record of your bank deposit, of the specific bank deposit without using any invoice. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.